This is the watch party with Team Build with GL. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to give you a full tour of my living room for Christmas. So come along, let's take a look. Now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done here. My reindeers were from, the larger one was from Coles, I think, and the smaller ones were Burlingtons and Rosses. My tree was from Bargain Hunt. And what I've done, I've made it into 3 sections. I've added the white all the way to the top. Then I came back down with the gold all the way to the bottom. And on the other side, I did the silver. I can't get around to that side to show you the full side of it because it is in front of the window. But as you can see, that side is silver all the way down. And I use the tool to separate each side. And that gives it that nice winter white Christmas look. My pillow covers were from Amazon, and my little Joy pillow was from Ross's. This ball here, it's actually an ornament, not a pillow. It was from At Home. And my beautiful throw here was from Ross's. Over on this side, I still have the Amazon pillow covers, and this throw was from Kohl's, and it is beautiful. My flowers, I've just used the pampas grass to do the couple of vases I have here. And that pampas grass was from Hobby Lobby. This cute little sleigh here was from Goodwill, and I put a little tray in it and have it sitting on my Chanel book. So this is my living room for tour for Christmas 2024. I hope I've given you some ideas when decorating your home for the Christmas season. I want to thank Gio for hosting Friends with Super Channel. You all stay around and make sure you watch this full playlist of Friends with Super Channels. Everyone has something different to offer you. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me tonight on this watch party with friends, because without you, of course, you know I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I'm showing you the garland on the staircase. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.